where the stars came from. The curious little robot, bright, always learning day and night. In the sky or on the ground, new adventures can be found. He met a bird with wings so wide, flying free it soared and glide. The robot asked, "Can I fly too?" The bird said, "Dream and you just might do." Through cities tall and valleys deep, he'd work and play but never sleep. For in his heart the drive to see a world full of possibility. One day he'll reach the stars above, fueled by wonder, hope, and love. For every question in his mind leads to answers he will find.